Welcome to the world of Fujifilm, where innovation meets creativity. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the latest addition to the Fujifilm family, the Fujifilm X-S20, a mid-range mirrorless camera that takes photography and videography to new heights. Let's dive into its exciting features. The Fujifilm X-S20, a compact and lightweight offering, is the successor to the much-loved X-S10 model. Packed with enhancements, the X-S20 boasts a 26.1 MP back-illuminated sensor and a high-speed image processing engine, delivering crisp images with low noise and impressive dynamic range. This mirrorless wonder incorporates subject detection autofocus powered by advanced artificial intelligence technology. From animals and birds to cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even drones, the X-S20 tracks and recognizes various subjects effortlessly, thanks to its X-Processor 5, which is twice as fast as its predecessor. The Fujifilm X-S20 is tailor-made for vloggers and content creators seeking to craft engaging content. Its flip-out screen, 4K recording at 60 frames per second, and rapid autofocus empower creators to bring their visions to life with stunning clarity. Compared to its predecessor, the X-S20 is slightly thicker and just 30 grams heavier. However, it packs a punch with its significantly larger battery, enabling up to 800 frames on a single charge, double the X-S10's capacity. Fujifilm has revolutionized the X-S20's video quality, offering 4K video recording at an impressive 60 frames per second. A dedicated video mode, tally light on the front, and a headphone jack enhance the filming experience, while the camera can even record at an astonishing peak resolution of 6.2K at 30 frames per second. True to Fujifilm's legacy of color grading expertise, the X-S20 comes with 19 film simulation modes, adding an artistic flair to every photo. Among them, the all-new nostalgic neg mode stands out, creating a captivating effect with high saturation and soft tonality. With an in-body image stabilization mechanism, the Fujifilm X-S20 helps reduce camera shake, enabling steady handheld shooting even in challenging low-light conditions. The Fujifilm X-S20 body is available at an attractive price of 118,999 rupees. You also have the option to choose from two lens bundles, the XC15 to 45mm lens bundle for 129,999 rupees and the XF18 to 55mm lens bundle for 149,999 rupees. Step into the world of Fujifilm X-S20, where cutting-edge technology meets artistic expression. Embrace the possibilities and unleash your creativity with this remarkable mid-range mirrorless camera. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content like this. Have any questions or thoughts about the Fujifilm X-S20? Let us know in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. If you want to stay updated with the latest camera reviews and photography tips, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And if you're already an X-S20 owner, share your incredible shots with us on social media using #XSeriesMagic. We can't wait to see your creativity in action. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments with the Fujifilm X-S20. Happy shooting! Check out these other fantastic videos on our channel. Just click the thumbnails to watch. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes and exclusive updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.